Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel and to another video. So today I thought it would be fun to do this project, these monthly markers that I actually were making for one of my friends who recently had a baby. So I thought you guys might enjoy seeing how I did these. These are so cute. These are good for photographs and just things like that. So we're gonna go ahead and get started with this video, and I'll show you the materials that I'm gonna use. So here is all the materials that I'm going to use. I bought these acrylic blanks from Amazon. These are 4 inches, and I like these because they are super duper thick. These are almost 1/8 of an inch thick. They come in this box just like this, and I got a pack of 36. I will link these down below so you'll know which ones that I did get. And then I am using this champagne gold foil vinyl. This is so pretty, and I really like this vinyl. I have a Cricut brand as well, but this goes on a lot easier and cuts better on my machine. This is from Amazon, I'll link it too. And then this is just a Cricut brand light pink vinyl. So I'm gonna be using that on the back. So creating this design was really easy. I just went into Design Space and opened a new project. And then I just used the shape icon and drew a circle that was 4 inches. And I'm gonna make my circle just a little bit smaller than 4 inches, 3.95, because I found that 4 inches was just a little bit bigger than the blanks. And now I am going to kind of design everything around this circle. So first I'm gonna go into images, and I'm going to type in brushed background, and that brings up this paint looking brush stroke. So I'm gonna be using that for the background. And I'm just inserted that into my canvas. And now you just want to resize this and shape it to fit your circle. I unlocked that little lock so that I can drag it up and down to kind of reshape it to fit over my circle. I'm making sure to leave some of these swashes around the edges so that it really looks like someone has actually painted this circle. I'm hiding some of the inside contours because some of these parts are just too little to cut out on vinyl. You just want to go to contour, hide all contours, and that's just going to leave the outside line of your shape. Now I'm going to slice out the shape from my circle, so I selected both objects, and then you just want to select slice. And that's going to cut your paint swash out of your circle. You can go ahead and get rid of that middle part. 2 things you can do here: you can keep your pink part to cut out with vinyl, which is what I'm going to do today, or you can keep this white part and actually create a stencil that you can place on your blank and then paint over it, which I actually did for those blue markers you saw earlier in the video. But for today, we're just going to cut this pink part out of vinyl. Now for the text, I'm just going to start with 1 month marker. So I'm going to type in 1 month, and I'm putting this on 2 lines. So you just want to hit enter after your first line. And after this, we're going to resize it. I'm going to change the spacing between my lines. You can do this by going up here to your line spacing and changing that first. You can also go to the advanced box up here at the top of your screen, and you can ungroup your text to lines and change your text manually that way. Now I'm going to create an offset around my text since this font is really thin. So you just want to go to offset, and I am using 0.003. You just want to type that in the box. I'm leaving on those smooth corners, and I'm leaving on the weld option. And that's just going to beef up this font just a little bit to make this a little easier to cut with my machine. Now we're ready to make our project. I'm going to go to Make It. For this first pink vinyl part, I am going to mirror this image because I am going to be placing this on the back of those acrylic blanks. So I want the front actually to be the sticky part. So just mirror that part if you're placing this on the back of those. And then for the gold part, we're just going to cut that out as normally. For my materials, I'm going to be using the metallic vinyl to cut out the gold foil in this particular vinyl. And then I'm going to use premium outdoor vinyl to cut out the permanent vinyl. Now we're going to place the vinyl. You want to make sure and remove that plastic covering from both sides of your blank before placing your vinyl. And I'm just using some medium tack transfer tape to remove my vinyl from the backing and place it onto the blank. This was such an easy project to do, even if you're a beginner. These are great if you're a new business owner or if you want to get started with your own business. These are a great idea because they're so easy and inexpensive, and there's so many ideas you can do with these. You can do names, birth dates, wedding ideas. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, got lots of ideas. Leave me a comment and let me know how you like this video. If you're not subscribed to my channel, I hope you will subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.